The Analytics Accelerator is something we started about 7 or 8 years ago when we really wanted to have real business problems and real data from companies.
The Analytics Accelerator is a way to take what you learn in your classroom and actually apply it to real-world settings.
Up to this point, I had not worked with any real-world data sets, and I feel like most of the data sets that I had worked with previously in projects are kind of fabricated to fit the topic that they're trying to teach.
No one knows what we're going to find out of this. No one even knows which questions we're supposed to be asking, but let's find the key questions, answer the key questions, and then ultimately find insights out of that. Let's take all of our skill sets, put them together to actually find actionable solutions for our client.
We are doing a month-long project for the Kimmel Center and Philadelphia Orchestra. They've tasked us with identifying trends with their customers and donors, see if we can provide them with some insights with machine learning and a lot of data science techniques.
These students have the ability to work on projects for any company they want. They could be working on projects for Facebook or Google or Amazon. These are a bunch of students who self-selected to work on a project with a nonprofit.
The Philadelphia Orchestra and Kimmel Center, Inc. is a home for the performing arts in Philadelphia. We present and produce a variety of music and dance and theater, and of course, this is the home of the Philadelphia Orchestra, the storied world-class ensemble that has been part of Philadelphia's history since 1900. And we like to say, like Penn, it's really one of the anchor institutions of our great city. On December 2nd, 2021, we formalized the partnership between the Philadelphia Orchestra and Kimmel Cultural Campus to create the Philadelphia Orchestra and Kimmel Center, Inc.
The Philadelphia Orchestra and the Kimmel Cultural Campus already think about data in everyday choices that we make to connect with our audiences. It became abundantly clear that there was opportunities as we came together as one organization to really figure out even deeper motivations. And frankly, there was no better solution than to work with these students who are so passionate about what they do and actually so interested in what we did.
My favorite part of the project so far was being able to see the Kimmel Center itself. That tour was so much fun, and seeing the different venues and concert halls within the Kimmel Center was amazing. The tour really brought the data to life.
So what's very exciting about the results of this project is that it will allow us to level up even further from the initial data project that we did with the other cultural institutions. It will create a modeling that we could actually implement into our CRM system that really allows us to think about the audiences in a much more nuanced and segmented way.
Having done this project, I feel more confident in what I know. And so I feel that will be very useful going forward in future projects. I'll be doing an internship this summer on analytics. I feel more ready for the internship than before, and I feel like I can be actually able to do the analytics and give them meaningful insights, despite the fact that I'll be an intern.
Every single Analytics Accelerator, I learned a new skill, a new model, a new way of thinking about data. And I'm really grateful for this whole experience for not only sparking my interest in data science, but also for helping me learn so many of these techniques.
And if you think about it, it's a win-win for everybody. The students learn, faculty that get to supervise them get to teach them the practical use of analytics, and the company or nonprofit or organization we're working for benefits from our skills. The nice thing about it is there's students of all levels. There are students that are experts in analytics. There are students that are just learning how to use analytics. And this is not just for Wharton students. As we always like to say, Wharton led, Penn wide.